An elephant was walking through the jungle one day when he saw a colony of ants, carrying leaves bigger than themselves. He thought it would be funny to startle them, so he walked right past them, almost stepping on them. The ants were very angry, and they all started biting the elephant's leg. He tried to shake them off, but there were just too many ants. So he sat down and waited for them to stop. After a while, they finally stopped biting him, and he stood up and walked away. The elephant learned his lesson that day, even though he was bigger and stronger than the ants. They showed him that no one is too small to make a difference. If you like this story, stay tuned for more.